Hey guys, just got my Bose audio system actually in the mail. I'm going to be hooking this up to the Razer. So, this is a MC450 1000 watt Ultra speaker and amplifier system. It looks like it says it's compatible with audio output of iPod, iPhone, smartphones, MP3 players. It's weatherproof. 3-inch chrome speakers, 2 pairs, so 4 of them. 4-channel compact audio amplifier. 3.5mm auxiliary input. Volume control and adjustable brackets. So I left it in the package, so you'll see me open it and see exactly what's in it. It came from the States. I ordered it off eBay. Alright, so there's the manual. There's the speaker. So, comes with these brackets. Looks like it's, yeah, you can just loosen this part. This will actually just clamp right on. And the size, if you have an iPhone, it's about the same as the iPhone. Alright, so here's my amplifier. So, the Boss Rebel. So, there's the auxiliary and the input power light. Little brackets there to clamp onto something. That's for volume control. Hey guys, alright, so here's another update on the Razer 4. So, here's my speaker install. So it's 4 speakers, 1000 watt. They're very easy to wire up. So all I did is, you can see these brackets here. So what I did is, the best thing to do is remove the speaker first. So there's the 2 little nuts under here. So get in there and remove those 2, these 2, and the speaker comes off. And then you put the bracket on, and then you just screw those, screw the speakers back in, and then tighten this whole thing down. So one thing that I noticed is, I was gonna put them back here and up here, but found I didn't have a lot of time. I'm going for a ride today, so basically they fit this size of bar. So I'm not even sure what size it is. So it's basically the brace for the back, and I wanted to make sure that people riding in the back actually have room. So then I put twist ties here. I'm going to get a like a cushion or whatever for who's ever riding back here, so they're not poking their hands on these zip tie things. I'll melt them down. Eventually what I'd like to do is move them actually up into the corners and up here. So I actually put the amp up high for now, just so that if you're going through water or anything, that's protected. The speakers, well, yeah, whatever. So then I put a switch. My switch is low, so you just turn it on and off. So, and that'll kill it to the battery. So there's a 10 amp fuse going there. So I'll make that neat later, but didn't have a lot of time to set it up. And my stereo, the speaker, or the volume, right up here. So, alright. Just let me know your thoughts. And it does go pretty high, so. That's not even near full. I just want to, but whatever. So, and I ran my, until I get the upper pouch up here, I just have my iPhone just chilling up there. So, yeah. So, comment, let me know what you think. If there's a better way that you think I could do it, then let me know. But for now, that's what I got. Thanks.